My name is Carlos Solis and I'm your All Makes brand manager. And today I'm answering the question, how do you sell Alltrux parts? How do you sell Alltrux parts? That's simple. There's two ways of doing so. The first way is your 12-month hassle-free replacement. That's your Alltrux promise. When your customer has a defective component, have your customer bring that product in, we'll capture the necessary information, and we'll send them off with a hassle-free replacement. The second way of selling the Alltrux parts is letting your customers know that we have partnered with the OE industry leaders in manufacturing. That means we are offering quality OE components at a competitive price. And that's how you will sell Alltrux parts.